Welcome to a detailed exploration of one of the most mesmerizing sights in the night sky, lunar phases. In this video, we'll unveil the science behind why the moon appears to wax and wane. Our journey begins with the moon's orbit around our planet. The moon travels in an elliptical path, taking approximately 27.3 days to complete one orbit. As the moon orbits Earth, it is illuminated by the sun. The half of the moon facing the sun is brilliantly lit, while the other half is in darkness. A new moon occurs when the moon is positioned between the sun and Earth. From our perspective, the illuminated side of the moon is facing away, making it appear as a dark circle in the sky. As the moon continues its orbit, a thin sliver of sunlight becomes visible on its right side. This phase is known as the waxing crescent. When the moon has completed a quarter of its orbit, we observe the first quarter moon. Half of the moon's face is illuminated, resembling a half-moon shape. During the waxing gibbous phase, the moon becomes more illuminated, with the majority of its right side bathed in sunlight. When the moon is positioned directly opposite the sun in its orbit, we witness a full moon. Its entire face is brilliantly lit, casting a radiant glow. After the full moon, the moon enters its waning phase. The illuminated area gradually decreases, and we observe a waning gibbous moon. The third quarter moon occurs when the moon has completed 3/4 of its orbit. Half of its face is still illuminated, but on the left side. As the moon approaches its new moon phase again, only a small sliver of sunlight remains visible on its left side, creating the waning crescent phase. To recap, lunar phases are a result of the moon's changing position relative to Earth and the sun, creating the mesmerizing cycle of waxing and waning. In conclusion, the dance of the moon's phases is a celestial spectacle that reminds us of the dynamic relationship between the Earth, Moon, and Sun. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the science of lunar phases. Subscribe for more astronomical wonders and space explorations.